Hello, friends. Today I'm going to tell you a story, and the name is The Gray Monkey Pirate. One day, the pirate Modi was out running errands with his mom. They shopped for groceries and ate this at his favorite restaurant. Then the pirate Modi's mom said, "Oh yes, we need to stop at the doctor asking for a quick check-up." The doctor checked Modi's heart, his blood pressure, and his neck. Then he explained that Modi would come back the next day and get a tube to protect him for scurvy or something. That pirate Modi did not like tubes. That evening, his father came home and Modi told him all about the visit to the doctor. Modi's father said, "Oh Modi, I know something that can help you. Take this map and my fastest pirate ship and find help. Also, if you stay very still for the doctor, you can have some ice cream." So Modi followed the map through the wild seas and climbed up volcanoes filled with fiery lava and sneaked past creatures so terrible that they will not be described in this book until he reached an icy castle at the top of the mountain. Inside, he found the great Cloud Wizard on a Cloud Wizard throne. The Cloud Wizard spoke these words: "Monkey Pirate, because you have braved many obstacles to get here, I will give you this rock. When you get a shot, you must squeeze then the rock very tightly and count to 3. You will be magically taken into the future. When the shoot will be finished, also you can have some ice cream after." The pirate Modi thanked him and sailed back home to get some sleep. The next morning, he took the rock with him to the doctor's office. The doctor hummed a little song and filled up Modi's shoot. Modi closed his eyes very tightly and squeezed the rock as hard as he could and counted 1, 2, and 3. The Cloud Wizard was right. The shoot was finished. The brave monkey pirate was now immune to scurvy and some other stuff, and he had ice cream on the way home. And the brave monkey pirate was happy forever. Thank you.